Assalamualaikum class. Today we are going to study question number exercise 2C, question number 7. Question number 7 is multiply. So its part number 1 is 4 by 5 by 3 by 8. 4 by 15 by 3 by 8. The first step of solving this question is convert this. Now first convert this by sign into multiplication sign. In second step you will see that 4 and 8 will cancel out, both come on the table of 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 how many times? 4 twos are 8. Now you will see 15 and 3 will come in the same table. So 3 ones are 3. 3 how many times? 3 fives. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 5 twos are 10. Further 1 by 10 will not come in a same on a same table, so it is a simplified form, and this is the answer. Similarly, solve its part 2 and 3 by yourself. So it's part number 2. So it's part number 2 and 3 are homework. Okay, try it. If you will find any problem while solving these questions, you can ask me. Now move to question number 8. Simplify. I'm going to solve its first part. Its first part is minus 8 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus 7 divided by 8 multiplied by minus 16 divided by 25. First I am going to solve this bracket. Now I am going to solve this first bracket first. You will see that 8 and 4 will come on the same table. So I am going to solve it first. 4 ones are 4 and 4 how many times? 8. 4 twos are. Now if you see in the second bracket, you will see that 8 and 16 will come on the same table. So you will get 8 ones are 8. 8 how many times? 8 twos are 16. So I am going to do the cutting. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Further, no number come in on the, so you have to multiply. 2 threes are 6, plus minus minus 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, plus minus minus 14, 1 fives are 25 is 25. In the next step, the signs are going to be multiply, plus minus minus. Remove the brackets and multiply the signs. So if you see that there are two rational numbers, first one is minus 6 by 5 and second one is 14 by 25. If there is the sign of minus or plus, you have to take LCM, while in the case of multiplication sign, there is no need to take LCM. Now there is a sign of minus, you have to take LCM. 5 how many times? 25. 5 fives are 25. Multiplying the denominator and numerator of first rational number by 5 and multiplying the second rational number by 1. Now you will see the denominator will become same. 5 fives are 25. 5 fives are 25. 14 ones are 14. 6 fives are 30 and minus. Write the denominator once and add or subtract whatever is going to be in numerator. Do it. Minus 30 minus 14. Minus minus plus, the operation of plus is going to be performed, but the sign of the bigger value will become with the answer. So the answer is 44 by 25. As 30 is bigger number than 14, so the sign with the 44 is minus. Now it's your homework. Try its part number 2 and 3 by yourself. Question number 8. It's part number 2 and 3 homework. Now I'm going to solve question number 9. In question number 9, Here you have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. I'm going to solve its left hand side. You have to prove its right hand side equal to left hand side. So in question number 9, left hand side is, this is the left hand side which I am going to solve. Okay, minus 5 by 8 multiply by 4 by 15 multiply by minus 3 by 4. You will see the sign between the terms which are present in the round bracket as multiplication. So in multiplication you will check whether they are coming in the same table or not. You will cut the number by 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 5 ones are 5, 5 how many times, 5 threes are 1 ones are 1, plus minus minus 2 threes are 6. So this is the answer. Multiply it minus 3 by 4. Now remove the, in next step, remove the bracket. Minus 1 by 6 multiply by 3 by 4. Further, if you see that 3 and 6 will come on the same table. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 1 ones are 1, minus minus plus. 2, 4 twos are 8. This is the answer. It's your homework. Try its left side by yourself. The answer will be 1 by 8. If your answer will not come 1 by 8, then you are solving it wrong. Okay. Right hand side homework. Try it by yourself. Okay. Now I am going to solve question number 10. Similarly in question number 10 you have to solve its left hand side equal. You have to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. I am going to solve its left hand side. You have to solve its right hand side by yourself. Okay, I am going to solve this part. Okay, question. This is the left hand side. So the signs are multiplying, plus minus minus. Further, you will see that the sign between the terms which are present in the round bracket is minus. So you have to make the denominator same. You will see that 5 and 15 are the denominator. 5 how many times? 15, 5 threes are. So multiply the first rational number by 3 and multiplying the second rational number by 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 how many times? 5 threes are 15. Minus 5 ones are 15 ones are 15, 8 ones are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. This term will come as it is in the next step. Now write the denominator once. So minus 12. Now subtract the numerator. 12 minus 8. 8 minus करें 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 by 15. Now you will see that here is no sign is given. So here we will take whenever there is no sign between two rational numbers, then we will consider the sign here is multiplication sign. Okay, so the sign here we will take multiplication sign. Minus 2 by 3 multiply by 4 by 15. आप देखें 4 2s are 8, plus minus minus 15 3s are 45. So this is the answer. Further it will not go on the same table, so it is a simplified form. Solve its left hand side, this side by yourself. First multiply these terms and this, and you will get the two rational numbers. Make the denominator same and add them. Okay. Now I am moving to question number 11. In question number 11, is simplify. I am going to solve its first part. Solve it next part by yourself. Part number 1 is minus 4 divided by minus 5/15. Whenever this sign is converted into multiplication sign, this term we will take the reciprocal of this term. By changing the sign of division into multiplication, we take the reciprocal of this term. Reciprocal of this term is 5/-2. रेसिप्रोकल कैसे लेते हैं? डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमिनेटर में आ जाता है और न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में चला जाता है, और जब भी डिवाइड का साइन मल्टीप्लाई में कन्वर्ट होता है. फर्दर आप देखें, माइनस माइनस आपस में कैंसल आउट हो जाएगा. 2 1 जा 2, 2 हाउ मेनी टाइम? 2 2 जा 4, 5 2 जा 10. सो 10/1. अगर न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में 1 हो तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. सो 10 इज द आंसर. ओके, पार्ट नंबर 2 भी सॉल्व खुद करें, 3 भी खुद करें, 4 भी करें खुद. मैं आपको इसका पार्ट 4 सॉल्व करना सिखा देती हूँ. मेथड आपको पता चल जाएगा, बाकी पार्ट खुद करें. पार्ट 4 इज -4/13 divided by -8/39. So first convert this sign into multiplication sign. मल्टीप्लीकेशन में जब ये भी साइन कन्वर्ट होगा तो सेकंड रैशनल नंबर जो होगा उसका रेसिप्रोकल ले लेंगे. रेसिप्रोकल लेते हैं तो न्यूमिनेटर डिनोमिनेटर में जो टर्म होती है वो न्यूमिनेटर में आ जाती है, और न्यूमिनेटर वाली टर्म जो होती है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाती है. फर्दर हम देखेंगे कि कटिंग हो रही है. ये कटिंग हो रही है. 13 1 जा 13, 13 3 जा 39, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. ओके, माइनस माइनस भी आपस में कट जाएंगे. 1 3 जा 3 एंड 1 2 जा 2. फर्दर 1 एंड 2 किसी टेबल पे नहीं जाते, सो इट इज द सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म एंड दिस इज द आंसर. सॉल्व इट्स पार्ट नंबर 2 3 एंड 5 बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके, नाउ it's your homework. Solve the MCQs by yourself. If you find any problem while solving the MCQs, kindly ask me. MCQs of chapter number 2 homework.